In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block country on Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Facebook's country restriction controls and how to set them up so only the audience you want can see your page. This works best on desktop, and you'll need the proper access to manage page settings. Start by opening Facebook and heading to your pages. On the left sidebar, click Pages, then choose the page you want to manage. This takes you to your page overview so you can make changes that affect visibility and audience. Next, make sure you're acting as the page. Click your profile icon at the top right, then select See All Profiles and choose your page. This switches you into the page profile, ensuring the settings you change apply to the page itself and not to your personal account. Now open the Settings area. Click Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. You're looking for the controls that manage who can see and interact with your page, so we'll navigate to the right section from here. In the left-hand menu, go to Followers and Public Content. This is where Facebook groups audience and visibility options for pages, including who can see your content and who can follow you. Scroll until you find Country Restrictions. Click Edit to open the country visibility options. This panel is where you'll tell Facebook whether to hide your page from specific countries or make it visible only to certain countries. Choose the restriction type that fits your goal. If you want to block viewers from particular locations, select Hide from certain countries. If you're targeting a limited region and want to exclude the rest of the world, choose Show only to certain countries. The first option is ideal when you need to exclude a few places. The second is best when you want a tightly defined audience. Add your countries by typing each country name and selecting it from the list as it appears. You can add multiple entries, and if you make a mistake, remove one by clicking the small X next to it. Take a moment to review your list to ensure it reflects your policy. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Your updates usually take effect quickly. Keep in mind that restrictions apply to page visibility and content availability for people in those locations. If you don't see the option right away, refresh the page or confirm you've switched into the page profile. That's it. You've set country restrictions for your Facebook page with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.